Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to customize pie chart border and field color. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data, category column and cells column. So here I'm going to first create pie chart. So simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and select here entire data. Then go to the insert tab in charts group, click on the pie chart option and select here the first 2D pie chart. And here you can see the pie chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. If you want to increase the size of the chart, you just drag the corner point and you can increase the size. So I increase here the size. Okay. Now you can see when you keep cursor here, you can see the chart area. This is a chart area, okay? And when you keep cursor here, this is a series, okay? Series cells points, okay? Means cells column is indicate the pie chart slice, okay? So here I'm going to first change the chart area color. So I select here the entire chart area, okay? Then go to the format tab, okay? In shape style, click on the shape fill option. Just click on this drop down arrow and here you can see different types of color available and see the changes in chart area. The different color available. The standard color also available. See the changes. Okay. More field color also. Pictures also available. You can add any picture. Gradients also available. See the changes over here. Gradients. Suppose I select this color. Okay, this one. Then again I go to the shape fill and select the gradient. See the gradient changes. Okay. Textures also available. Different types of textures also you can apply. I show you one. See the textures. Again I go to the shape fills and I select here the one gradient. Okay. See this one. See the changes on gradient. Now I click on the pie chart. I select here the only pie charts. Okay. Then go to the chart design tab. In chart style, you can see the change color option available. Click on the change color and here in colorful showing the different palette. Okay, palette 1, colorful palette 1, colorful palette 2. All the colors is apply on the your full pie chart, all slice. One slice in a different color. When I see the when I drag this below, the monochromatic palettes here also available. When I keep cursor on this palette, see in the pie chart the changes of the colors. Okay, when I select this palette, see palette number 10, see the color of palette is showing on the pie charts. Okay, so I select here the one, so I just choose here. So I select this one and that's it. You can see your pie chart's color is changed. Now I'm going to change here border of the pie chart. Simply click on the center point of the pie charts. Just click on it and you can see the full pie chart is selected. All slice is selected showing. Okay. After that, go to the format tab. Okay. In shape style group, click on the shape outline. Click on the drop down arrow and select the color those you want on the outline of the pie charts. Okay. So I select here the yellow color and see the changes here. The all yellow colors outline is showing. Okay. And if you want to give the chef effects, just click on again the center point of the pie charts. Just click on outside first and click on again here. Go to the format tab and click on the chef effects option. And you can see different type of chef effects is available. So I just click on this one. Okay. That's it. You can see the chef effects also applied. Okay. Now I'm going to change this chart area color again. I select on the chart area. You can change this color the different way. Just go to the home tab. In font group, click on the fill color option. Okay. Just click on this drop down arrow and select the color those you want. Okay. You can select here the any color. So here the standard color also available. See the change. I select here the yellow color. I just drag and set size. Okay. So this is the way you can change the colors. Okay. And you can customize your pie chart. And if you want to change again this pie chart color, again click on the center point. Okay, go to the chart design and change color. Select here the different color. See, changes. I click on this one. Okay, so this is the way you can customize your pie chart borders. Okay, and fill the colors in pie charts. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.